O lang ba ako na nainis ako sa HS friend niya na may asawa na ngayon? For some context, my partner has known this female friend since their high school and they are now in their early 30s. Married na rin si girl and living in the US. She knows my boyfriend is in a relationship for 2 years na. Obviously, they've known each other longer than me and my BF. Naging crush ni BF si girl nung HS sila, and that's more than 10 years ago already. Everybody moved on. Wala naman akong issue doon and di ako nagsiselos. Now, I have access to my partner's social media and he provided it naman kahit di ko inask, so walang problem talaga. Now, the thing is, biglang nag-notify yung chat ni girl kay BF saying na paginipan kita na nag-date tayo during Valentine's Day. Ni-laugh react lang ni BF and di na nag-reply sa kanya. Napabakred tuloy ako sa convos nila from years ago. Di pa kami nagkakakilala ni BF. And nakita ko, nagko-confess pa si ate girl kay BF na if nag-aminan sila nung high school, di sana sila na raw hanggang ngayon, etc. etc. Nakakaloka. She confessed all that to him after she just got married. Nakikipag-flirt din si girl kay BF, naiinis ako kasi who wouldn't, di ba? Sinabi ko kay BF na I don't like this female friend. And bahala siya mag-set ng boundaries. Alam ko iba-iba naman dynamics ng female and male friendships, but holy shit.